Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to change your Facebook username. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more helpful content. Your Facebook username is a unique identifier for your account, and it's important for personalization and recognition. First, you'll want to press the menu button. You can find this in the bottom right or the top right corner of your screen. Next, go to the top right of the menu and press the gear or cog icon to enter the settings. In the Settings menu, look for Account Center and click on it. From there, scroll down to find the option for Profiles at the top. Select your Facebook profile. Now, you'll see the option to choose a username. Go ahead and enter the username you want to use. The system will check if the username is available. If it is, you'll be able to proceed. Once you've confirmed your new username, just press Done at the bottom to finalize the change. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.